Hey everyone, this is Chef Jeff Vucko, Travel at the Langham, Chicago. Today we are going to be making a simple Pomodoro recipe. So we're going to start out with taking some olive oil and about a cup and a half of garlic in a large pot. And we're going to shallow toast the garlic until it's golden over low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes, making sure you stir it around every 10 minutes and control that heat really nicely. Next, we are going to add the basil. It's about 4 cups loosely packed, and we're going to pretty much fry it until it's crispy to extract all the fine oils without burning it. So make sure, again, you are controlling your heat. Next, we are going to add about 6 quarts of canned peeled San Marzano tomatoes. Be sure to stir until everything is homogeneous. Bring it to a simmer as fast as you can, and then turn the heat down while stirring it frequently to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. After about 1 hour, the sauce is nearly complete. Make sure you test it for salt and pepper to your liking. Feel free to add a little bit of chili flake. Pretty much make the sauce your own. You can keep it a really simple recipe with just 4 to 5 ingredients, or you can add little tweaks to make it your own. Next, what you can do, if you have a ricer at home, you are going to put the ricer over a big pot or whatever you have at your home and put the tomato mixture in and start spinning it, and you'll get a lovely consistency. If you do not have a ricer, maybe you perhaps have a food processor at home, and you can pulse the mixture until you are happy with the consistency for whatever you're going to be using this Pomodoro sauce for. I feel that this sauce is great for all pastas. It's great for a pizza sauce, for your meatballs or veal parmigiana, etc. at your home. So please enjoy.